Imagine waking up tomorrow. Before you've even had breakfast, artificial intelligence has already made dozens of decisions that affect your day. It suggested the fastest route to work. It filtered your emails. It protected your bank account from fraud. It recommended the next video you watched. It decided which social media posts appeared on your screen, and it even influenced the products you saw while shopping online. The strange part is, most people never notice. When people hear the words artificial intelligence, they usually think of ChatGPT, image generators, or futuristic robots. But that's only the part we can actually see. The real revolution is happening behind the scenes. Quietly, silently, every single day. AI is already transforming hospitals, factories, banks, schools, airports, farms, retail stores, and even the phone in your pocket. It's already here, working in the background, making millions of decisions every single second. And here's the surprising part: most people have no idea how much they already rely on it. So today, let's pull back the curtain and discover how AI is quietly taking over almost every industry. Let's start with healthcare. Imagine walking into a hospital. You see doctors, nurses, patients, medical equipment. But there's another assistant working there. One that never gets tired, never loses focus, and can analyze enormous amounts of information in seconds. Artificial intelligence. Today, AI can examine X-rays, CT scans, and MRI images looking for tiny signs of disease. Sometimes, it notices patterns that are incredibly difficult for the human eye to detect. Doctors still make the final decision, but AI helps them work faster and often with greater confidence. Researchers are also using AI to develop new medicines. A process that once took years can now be accelerated using powerful machine learning models. AI isn't replacing doctors, it's becoming one of the smartest medical assistants ever created. Now let's step into a bank. Every second, millions of financial transactions happen around the world. Buying groceries, sending money, paying bills, using credit cards. It's impossible for humans to manually monitor all of it. That's where AI comes in. The moment something unusual happens, AI notices. If your card is suddenly used thousands of kilometers away, just minutes, after you made a purchase at home, AI can instantly recognize the suspicious activity. Sometimes it blocks the transaction before you even know someone tried to steal your money. Banks also use AI to evaluate loan applications, analyze financial risks, detect money laundering, and answer customer questions through intelligent virtual assistants. Most people never realize that AI has already reviewed many of their financial activities before a human employee ever gets involved. Now let's visit a modern factory. Years ago, quality control depended almost entirely on people. Workers inspected every product, looking for defects, looking for mistakes. Today, high-speed cameras powered by AI inspect thousands of products every hour. Much faster, and often more accurately than humans. Machines are also filled with sensors. These sensors constantly collect information: temperature, pressure, vibration, power usage. AI studies all of this data and predicts when a machine is likely to fail. Instead of waiting for a breakdown, factories fix problems before they happen, saving millions of dollars, reducing waste, and keeping production running smoothly. Humans and intelligent machines working together. Now let's leave the city and head to a farm. At first, farming doesn't seem like an industry that would use artificial intelligence, but it's changing rapidly. Drones fly over fields, capturing detailed images of crops. AI analyzes those images, looking for diseases, pest damage, water shortages, and unhealthy plants long before farmers can spot the problems themselves. AI also studies weather forecasts, soil conditions, crop growth, and irrigation schedules, helping farmers grow more food while using less water, less fertilizer, and fewer pesticides. As the world's population continues to grow, these improvements become more important than ever. Now think about education. Not every student learns the same way. Some learn quickly, some need more practice. Others struggle with completely different topics. AI is making education more personal. Learning platforms can identify what you're finding difficult, then adjust lessons to match your learning speed. Instead of everyone following exactly the same path, each student receives a more customized experience. Teachers benefit too. AI helps organize lesson plans, grade assignments, and reduce repetitive administrative work, giving teachers more time to actually teach. Now let's visit a supermarket, or maybe your favorite online shopping website. Have you ever wondered how stores always seem to know what products people will buy? The answer is data. Lots of it. AI studies customer behavior, shopping patterns, seasonal trends, and purchasing habits. It predicts demand before products even leave the warehouse, helping businesses avoid empty shelves, reduce waste, and improve deliveries. Online, recommendation systems work the same way. They learn what you watch, what you search, what you buy, and what keeps your attention. Then, they recommend the next product, the next movie, the next song, or the next video. Sometimes it feels like the system knows you better than you know yourself. Now imagine standing inside a busy airport. Hundreds of flights, thousands of passengers, countless moving parts. Managing all of this manually would be incredibly difficult. AI helps optimize flight schedules, predict weather delays, improve fuel efficiency, and calculate better flight routes. Shipping companies use AI too, planning delivery routes that save time, fuel, and money. Every package arriving at your doorstep may have traveled through an AI-powered logistics network. Now let's talk about creativity. For years, people believed creativity belonged only to humans. But AI is changing that too. It helps create music, generate artwork, design logos, edit videos, write marketing campaigns, and even assist filmmakers with visual effects. Does this mean creativity is disappearing? Not at all. The best creators aren't competing against AI. They're collaborating with it, using it as a tool to work faster, explore more ideas, and bring bigger visions to life. And we're only getting started. Construction companies use AI to improve safety. Law firms analyze thousands of legal documents in minutes. Scientists accelerate research. Retailers forecast demand. Engineers design smarter products. Governments explore better public services. Space agencies use AI to help explore distant planets. The AI revolution isn't happening in one place. It's happening everywhere. Quietly, gradually, and much faster than most people realize. Whenever a new technology appears, people ask the same question: will AI replace humans? Maybe that's the wrong question. A better question is this: what repetitive work should machines handle so humans can focus on creativity, critical thinking, innovation, and solving bigger problems? History has shown us something interesting. Every major technological revolution changed the way people worked. Some jobs disappeared, many evolved, and entirely new careers were created. Artificial intelligence will likely follow the same path. The biggest opportunity won't belong to the people who ignore AI or fear it. It will belong to the people who learn how to use it, because the future isn't about competing against artificial intelligence. It's about learning to work alongside it. AI isn't quietly taking over every industry to replace humanity. It's reshaping the way humanity works. And the people who adapt today will be the ones building tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to NAFS Lab, where we break down the biggest ideas in artificial intelligence, future technology, and innovation into simple stories anyone can understand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.